This is a real ostrich egg, and today we're turning it into the world's largest deviled egg. Welcome to Eggs 100 Ways. Fried, scrambled, poached. If it's an egg, we're cooking it. But today, this isn't just any egg. This thing weighs over 4 pounds, or the equivalent of 2 dozen chicken eggs. Don't tell my boss, but it costs over $100 each.
What?
So we cannot mess this up. Let's get cracking. So we're gonna start it in boiling water because when you add an egg to boiling water, it shocks the shell away from the egg white. So I'm hoping that's the case with ostrich too. So we're gonna lower this into boiling water and cook it for 90 minutes. Submerged. All right, we're gonna let this cook for an hour and a half. We wanna make sure the yolk is cooked through and the white is set. And now while the egg is cooking, we need our bacon. We're laying these on a wire rack so they cook evenly and they get crispy. We're gonna cook it in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, and now for the best sound in cooking, we're gonna chop some of this bacon. All right, this is 1 pound of chopped bacon. All right, and next up, some cheese. We're gonna freshly grate this, and we need like a cup and a half. That's definitely more than a cup and a half, but we like cheese. One of my favorite parts about a loaded baked potato is the chives. It really balances out the richness and adds a nice oniony flavor, which I love. So we're gonna finely mince these. We're gonna put some of these in the mixture and then save some for garnish. Okay, it's been cooking. I'm gonna try to lift it out. First the sauna and then the cold plunge. And we're doing this to, 1, stop the cooking, and 2, it's gonna help release the shell a little bit better. For the amount of time it took to cook this egg, I think I could have cooked like 100 chicken eggs. Okay, this has been chilling for 30 minutes. I feel like I'm Khaleesi and this is my baby dragon egg. Oh my God, So ostrich eggs are not like chicken eggs. The shell is very thick and hard to crack, so we need a meat mallet. Like, listen to how hard this is. I'm scared. I feel bad, but here we go. So I'm trying to also be careful not to hit it too hard because I don't want to disturb this perfectly cooked egg. This is so cute. My knife went right in. That's perfect. Look at that. All right, now it's time to make our filling. So the yolk in there. All right, so when I make deviled eggs, I like to mash the yolk first because I want it to be super finely crumbled before I add everything else. You can't make a deviled egg without mayonnaise, so we're gonna start with a lot of mayonnaise, some sour cream, some of our chives, our bacon, cheddar, and then some salt and pepper. And a little bit of vinegar just to help break up the richness and fattiness. So I've added our filling to a large piping bag and we're gonna fill it up. All right, these are looking good. So now we're just gonna garnish it. A little cheese, some more bacon, and for some color, some chives. Nervous. Sit. So the egg white is very thick and dense, as you can see here, but it's rich, it's creamy, it's delicious. And that's episode 3 of Eggs 100 Ways. Let us know what you want us to make next.